Dear students of Greenland Public School Sibdhara, you are welcome to the second class in mathematics of class 10th. Topic is the trigonometry. Dear students, the value of each of the trigonometric ratios of an angle does not depend on the size of the triangle. It only depends on the angle. Dear students, whatever be the size of the triangle, it does not matter. It matters that what is the acute angle. So it depends upon acute angle. The value of its trigonometric ratios of an angle does not depend on the size of the triangle. It only depends on the angle. So suppose ABC is a triangle. Here let ABC is a triangle. ABC is a triangle and B is equal to 90 degree. Angle A I have taken theta. Take a point P on AC and draw PQ perpendicular AB. PQ perpendicular AB. Dear students, angle Q is 90 degree, B is 90 degree. Now, in similar triangle you will read, this time I have not taught, if there are two triangles and if they are equiangular, they are said to be similar. Suppose triangle AQP and ABC are equiangular, then they are similar. And if triangles are similar, then their sides are proportional. For example, in triangle AQP and in triangle ABC, angle A is common. Angle AQP is equal to angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, third angle P is equal to third angle C. So, triangle AQP is similar to triangle ABC. Triangle AQP is similar to triangle ABC. And dear students, if two triangles are similar, then their sides are proportional. Therefore, AQ by AB is equal to AP by AC is equal to PQ by BC. PQ by BC. So we can write here in this figure. You will see again here over. Let ABC is a triangle in which angle B is equal to 90 degree and angle A is equal to theta. Take a point P on AC. Take a point P on AC and draw PQ perpendicular AB. Therefore, triangle AQP is similar to triangle ABC by AA similarity. So we can say here AQ upon AB is equal to QP upon BC is equal to AP upon AC. Now, dear students, we have to take sine theta. You come to the figure. Sine theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. So we can say here sine theta is equal to PQ by PA. And if you take in this triangle ABC, then sine theta is equal to BC by AC. So we can say here PQ by AP is equal to BC by AC. So we can say here sine theta is equal to P by H is equal to PQ by PA. PQ by PA is equal to BC by AC. Similarly, we can say find cos theta. Cos theta is equal to B by H, base by hypotenuse, that is AQ by AP, and is equal to, we can say here AQ by AP is equal to AB by AC. Cos theta, in the very way we can say tan theta is equal to PQ by AP, perpendicular by base, and if you take triangle ABC, then BC by AB. So PQ by AB, AQ is equal to BC by AB. Now cot theta is equal to B by PQ, so we can say AQ upon PQ is equal to BC upon cot theta is equal to AQ upon PQ is equal to AB upon BC. So now we can say here like this, if AC is produced. Now dear students, like this, if AC is produced to a point R, suppose I have produced AC now to point R and produced AB and draw RS perpendicular to AB on producing such that angle S is equal to 90 degree. Then again triangle AQP and ASR are similar. ASR are similar by AA similarity. So we can say triangle ASR is similar to triangle ABC. Triangle ASR is similar to triangle ABC. So again we can say sine theta is equal to BC upon AC is equal to QR upon AC, and cos theta is equal to AB upon AC is equal to AS. It is S, dear students, S. It is S. So we can say AS upon AR. Tan theta is equal to BC upon AB is equal to RS upon AB, and cot theta is equal to AB upon BC is equal to AS upon RS. Therefore, triangle ASR is similar to triangle ABC. Triangle ASR is similar to triangle ABC by AA similarity. Therefore, AS by AB is equal to SR by BC is equal to AR by AC. Therefore, sin theta we have got again, cos theta we have got, sin theta. Now you see here, in this again you see PQ by AQ is equal to BC by AB, and here BC by AB is equal to RS by AB. So we can say here from here tan theta is equal to, we have got here BC by AB is equal, and that is equal to PQ by AB, and here we have got tan theta is equal to BC by AB is equal to RS by AB. So RS by AS is also equal to PQ by AB. So here the value of theta does not change. So we can say here the value of theta does not depend upon the size of the triangle. Dear students, now we have to find out some more things like this. We can say cosec theta. Then we can say here sin theta is equal to what happens? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. Therefore 1 upon sin theta. 1 upon sin theta is equal to, we can say 1 upon perpendicular upon hypotenuse, and this hypotenuse will go upwards. So hypotenuse upon perpendicular, and hypotenuse upon perpendicular is equal to cosec theta. So we can say 1 upon sin theta is equal to cosec theta. Therefore 1 upon sin theta is equal to cosec theta. Dear students, now we shall take here another cosec theta is equal to, we have got 1, since here cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta, 1 upon sin theta is equal to cosec theta. So we can say here 1 upon cosec theta is equal to sin theta. So cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. Again number 9 you will say, and if you multiply this sin theta into cosec theta, then sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1. So sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1. Now formula number 10 you will see cosec theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse. Therefore 1 upon cos theta is equal to 1 upon base by hypotenuse, and this hypotenuse will go up. So hypotenuse upon base is equal to sec theta is equal to, now so therefore we can say 1 by cos theta is equal to sec theta, 1 by cos theta is equal to sec theta. So we can say here 1 by sec theta is equal to cos theta. So 1 by sec theta is equal to cos theta. Again cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1. So cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1. Again tan theta is equal to p by b. Therefore 1 by tan theta is equal to 1 by p by b is equal to b by p is equal to cot theta. Therefore 1 by cot theta is equal to tan theta. So tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. Tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. So you will remember this formula and you will try to solve next questions. I shall say in next class. Thank you.